Hi everyone, I'm Atamel. Now let's demonstrate how to import to the game engine with one click painlessly. Here I'll use Unreal as an example. After setting up our material, we can select the object we want to import. You can select all at once, or select one of the objects, either is fine. Here I will select these three objects for the demo. Now I have set the folder for my import path. Then I can directly click Export. Now my data has been successfully imported into this folder. Next we can open the Unreal part. After the Unreal plugin is installed, a small icon will appear in your top menu bar. This small icon is our Smart PBR engine tool. We click to open it, then we can select the path we just exported. We can see there is a JSON file in the exported path. Select it and open it. Then we can use our custom shader. For the shader our Smart PBR specially created for you. These can be replaced by the user themselves. Here I will use the shader developed by our official team. Pay special attention here, if we have MIO or OLRNet. We will choose the exclusive MIO part. The MIO part and the OLRN shader are shared. Only those with each map channel separated. Use this basic one. Here I imported using the OLRN map. So we are using the MIO material. One thing to pay special attention to is this set of maps belongs to the ORM property. That is, whether it fits the Unity part. Don't worry, our Smart PBR is very smart. It will identify whether this map is ORM or MIO by itself. It will automatically connect the attributes to the correct channel, so it doesn't affect much. Here you can choose whether you want to import into the scene or not import. Here on the interface scene, this cat head icon. This is the link to our official webpage. After clicking you can go in and see our official site. Next is the logo of our exclusive Smart PBR engine. Here in the lower right corner is our exclusive version number. If you still have questions about the interface, don't worry. You can click the question mark option in the lower right corner. It should check our operation manual. Then click the import part. Then you can directly import our target. Here I directly click import. Then I close our Smart PBR engine tool. We can see our target has been imported. And the coordinates of all these targets are consistent with Blender. While the object target position set in Blender and the relative dimensions, they will not deviate in the game engine. It maintains a certain coordinate and proportion. Next we can look at the material shader part. In the shader part you can observe, our maps are all correctly connected. Our base color is correctly connected, no problem. Our MIO is also normally connected to the channel of this attribute, no problem. The normal is also connected, no problem. And our displacement map is also connected, no problem. In the material pack review part, we will have another article to introduce in detail what functions our self-developed shader has. That's the introduction to the Unreal Game Engine import. Hope you like it, thank you.